Oh hi! Greetings, Hoomers, and welcome back to the Windmill full of corpses. Now we're gonna check out a core band. I think it's the first time we're checking, well, Dear Mother was probably core-ish. But this Shokran, I'm pretty sure it's a metalcore band. It's a suggestion from a friend. She actually gave me more suggestions, but I wanted to go for Nature of the Paradox particularly because it's the only one that is from the latest album and it has a video. So it's probably a good way to get to see what this band is about. I've heard good things about them, and as far as I know, they're just kind of metalcore with some Egyptian, I think.
Yes, that's definitely it. And I've heard one song before. I think it was called Creatures of the Mud, and that was like a year or 2 years back. I don't remember that much about it, but they had most of the metal chords and maybe djent effects in there. And with the Egyptian theme, these guys are basically a recipe for being signed to Sumerian Records. So I don't know what label they're on, but maybe you should look into that.
Well, this is just their official YouTube channel. I don't know if and what label they may have, but yeah, like if probably just kind of as what I'm expecting, I'm expecting around the things like Born of Osiris, Veil of Maya, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. But let's
Talking-
see. We're actually just coming out of an Orbit Culture reaction, so we're already out of breath.
Yeah,
And
maybe we're gonna lose even more breath.
yeah,
But you know, it overcompensates with serotonin.
let's see where this goes.
I used all my chances, I used everything, but it's getting worse with every fucking day. Covered my scars and hiding my pain, but couldn't hide my soul is deep within me. This nature of the paradise, I have future when I lose my path. Like reapers in symphony, my referees. Something.
Okay, that's quite a lot already. So let's talk about that for a bit. When the pace started building, I thought it was something that was gonna whack me over the head a bit harder, but then it just went into this kind of more like upbeat pace and the clean vocals. And was it just me or was that a keyboard melody that sounded almost like a music box? Oh my god, you just took that out of my mouth! Like, I'm serious, those were the exact words that came into my mind when I heard that. It's like music box. I was like Imaginarium seeping into metalcore. Did anybody else hear that? Do you think it sounds like a music box? Those sort of shimmery effects on the breath? It sounds like a music box. Like, if you don't think it sounds like a music box, you're wrong. Yeah, you're wrong. Okay, I really dig this, but I'm hoping it's also gonna go for maybe more nasty things. Yeah. Okay. That's probably a breakdown. Yes, it is. And I just picked the worst possible time to hit pause because now I want it. I want to comment on the vocals a bit. It's really melodic and it reminds me of someone, and I couldn't figure out who. Thank you. Yeah, that's who it reminds me of. It reminds me of not the previous singer, the one they have now. What's his name? Andy Cizek, something like that. Yeah. It definitely reminds me of him, and I think we only had clean vocals so far. Yeah,
until the breakdown.
Yeah,
And
so-
you ruined it. What I want to say is, I love the kind of sliced riff. I wasn't expecting it to go this much into gent. I think that's more like gent than core
Yeah.
to me. And it's actually a lot like Monument's riff also.
Yeah, and they have a really cool live vibe. The video's live too, which
Yeah.
is really seeps into that energy really well.
Yeah, like being at a show, man.
Okay,
Shows.
so we're most likely about to get a breakdown, so I'm ready for that.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. That was a really cool way to end, with that sort of airy effect at the end.
Yeah, yeah. And just kind of cut it out.
Mm-hmm.
It's not exactly what I was expecting. It's a lot more catchy and melodic.
Yeah, I felt that way too. It's kind of like, it's the kind of things that you would party to at a show.
Yeah, but I can actually smell the fog machines and the sweat in that video,
Yeah.
for one. And what I want to say is, I like that if you listen, I guess, to the main melody and to the vocals, it's all just kind of here. It's steady, it's melodic, it's cool, it's catchy, and then everything that's going on the instruments in the background is just all over the place.
Yeah, all sliced up rhythms. Well, that's what we love about gent, don't we?
Yeah.
I wanna really say the bass sounds really good in this. It's what really pumps those rhythms forward, and I really like how they have their mix done, because you can like hear them as separate entities. I would say it almost feels like one's in one ear and one's in another, but they're actually balanced.
Yeah.
And it's, I don't know, I really like that you don't really get a lot of chuggy feeling from the guitars, and it's all kind of moved on to the bass. They have this clean separation between melodies and rhythms that's really, really cool.
Yeah, and it's got this really slappy effect, like, man, Animals as Leader has a bit? On the bass, it reminds me a bit of like the thumb picking from Animals as Leaders
It's
kind of
just
thing.
they animals as leaders don't need bass for that.
Yeah, I know, they do it on the guitars, but it has a bit of a similar effect. And another thing I want to mention is the kind of tapping lead guitar melody that kind of kicked off the song and then I think came back like once or twice in the middle. That was a really cool element. So the song is like, well, overall it's really catchy, it's really upbeat, it's a song that I get into right away, but there's so much to look into if you actually look into the underlying technicalities.
Yes.
Like the musicianship is nuts.
All that, I agree.
Yeah. So I guess this is what we have to say about Nature of the Paradox. I really like this. I'm probably gonna check them out some more. And
Perhaps.
if you're into this gent core stuff, drop your suggestions below. If you're into anything you'd want us to check out, drop your suggestions
It's
below.
like, it doesn't matter that we've just been through 2 gent videos. If the next one has to be a jazz metal song, make it happen.
Yeah.
We're up for anything.
So yeah, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.